My famous, well-known, creative, innovative, unique, popular educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. Up till now, we have seen a lot of videos on machine learning using Python, such as face recognition, and we have seen a lot of videos on data science and these things long back ago. Today, we are going to see face classification using Python with different libraries. So, I will explain in brief what is today's video is all about. Face classification Python, residual network. What is Resnet is a short name of residual network that support residual learning. The 50 indicates the number of layers that it has. So Resnet 50 stands for residual network with 50 layers. Deep convolutional neural network has led to number of breakthrough for image classification. In general, the trend is to go more deeper, number of layers to solve complex tasks and to increase the classification recognition accuracy. But as we go deeper with the neural network, the accuracy start saturating and the degrades also. Result training tries to solve this problem. Another part, that is inception model. First one was the residual model, second was inception model. If the size of the object is in the image is of different size, so it is difficult to detect or fetch the correct information of the object from the various images. Then we need to correct the size of the filter. So that is what about inception model. Now we will go through the program. This is all about the program. One image will be displayed, and depending on that, residual and inception model will be showing. Yes. Yes. Fine. We have seen this video long back ago, but today I am doing it on browser. Then drag the image. First of all, we will take SRK4, no SRK2, no SRK5 we will take. Yes, face classifier real or AI generated. Classify image. So what it does, see that. Resnet prediction model 65% 82 confidence, and inception model, both are different reading. That's what I told you. Now clear. Now we'll take another image. I guess 7, no SRK5 we have taken. 4 SRK2 SRK1 will take. Classify image. Okay, reality 63% Resnet, and it is. So I successfully done with image classification using Resnet and Inception. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python. If possible, Flask connectivity with React.js, face recognition, then data set, then non-stack, full stack using Node.js and React.js. If possible, operating system using op amp and MongoDB. Thanks for watching.